what is big formula in determinants? Okay, so to find out the determinant by using a big formula. So when I find out the determinant of any given matrix, say by using a big formula, this would be the the equation that we normally use. So the determinant of A would be equal to summation of determinant of P, okay, where P is nothing but a permutation matrix. Here P is nothing but a permutation matrix. I think permutation matrix I have already posted it in the previous video, what is permutation matrix. So here we find out the determinant of a permutation matrix, and we multiply it with the matrix elements based on the alpha, beta, gamma values. Okay, so those elements, all alpha, beta, gamma, whatever we see, it all depends on the dimension of the matrix. Okay, so if you have 3 cross 3 matrix, then we will end up in alpha, beta and gamma value. So similarly, if it is 4 cross 4 matrix, then we go with alpha, beta, gamma and omega. Okay, so therefore it depends on the matrix dimension. Okay, so anyway, we'll see one small example. What is this alpha, beta, gamma and all? How do we consider the values of alpha, beta, gamma and omega and all with respect to the dimension of the matrix? Anyway, so this alpha, beta, gamma represents the column orders of the particular permutation matrix. Okay, so it represents the column orders of the permutation matrix. Okay, so what is the determinant of P? It's nothing but the P matrix. I hope we all know that if it is a 3 cross 3 matrix, then we get 6 different permutation matrices. Why 6? Because we know that it is 3 factorial, 3 cross 3 matrix, so 3 factorial, therefore 3 into 2 is 6 different permutation matrices that we get, and 6 different determinant of that permutation matrix values that we get. Therefore those determinant values we are going to substitute here. Okay, now let us take first one small example of what is the big formula, how to apply it. Now this is the matrix A, and we need to find out the determinant of this matrix A by using big formula. Okay, so determinant of this matrix A by using big formula. So how do we do that? How do we find out the determinant of this particular matrix A by using big formula? The first thing is we need to know how many the determinant of the permutation matrices. Okay, so we have a 3 cross 3 matrix. So this given matrix is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Therefore we get 6 permutation matrices, because 3 cross 3, 3 factorial, 6 permutation matrices that we get with a column order alpha, beta, gamma value. This is what alpha, beta, gamma value. Okay, I hope when we have a 3 cross 3 matrix, 6 different permutation matrices, I have explained this in the permutation matrices video. I think those are the one which I have written here. Okay, so these are the 6 different permutation matrices with the different column orders, and this would be the determinant of that each permutation matrices that we come across. So determinant of P1 with this column order will be +1, then determinant of P2 with this column order will be +1, with this column order +1, with this column order -1, with this column order -1, with this column order -1. I hope how to find out the determinant of these column order permutation matrices. I think in the previous video of permutation matrices, if you see, you will come to know how we find the determinants. Okay, now after finding these 6 different permutation matrices, this is the first job in big formula. Now let us write the big formula based on the the standard formula which I have given. So this is the standard formula. Now let us use this knowledge to write the big formula for this particular problem, which for which the permutation matrix determinants were been found. Now what would be the determinant of A in terms of big formula? Now would be equal to, so determinant of A would be equal to determinant of P1 into A1, alpha is 1, 2, 3, therefore A11, A22, A33 plus determinant of P2 into Now alpha beta gamma is 3 1 2, therefore A31, A31, A21, A11, this is actually A11, A13 because alpha is 3, then A21, A32 plus determinant of P3 into, now alpha beta gamma is 2 3 1, therefore A12, A23 and A31, okay, plus determinant of P4 multiplied by, it is 1 3 2, therefore I'll just say A1, A2, A3, and then I'll write 1 3 2. In this way also you can write, which is easier. Then plus determinant of P5, again I'll say A1, A2, A3. In terms of P5 you see 2 1 3, therefore I'll put here 2, I'll put here 1, I'll put here 3, plus determinant of P6 into A1, A2, A3. Now in the place of alpha beta gamma we have 3 2 1, 3 2 1. Now let us see how to find out this A11, A22 and A33. So let us write that matrix A here. So what is that matrix A? 1 2 3 4 minus 2 3. So it is 1 2 3 4 minus 2 3, and then we have 2 5 minus 1, 2 5 minus 1. So here now the position of the elements will give the A11, A12 and all. Okay, so this is A11, this position of 1 is A11, A12 and this is A13. This is the position. Similarly, this is A21, A22, A23. Similarly, this is A31, 32 and 33. Now we will substitute these values of the matrix based on these values of A, whatever we have here. So here, which is equal to, now we know that determinant of P1, P2, P3 is plus 1, P4, P5, P6 is minus 1. So here determinant of P1, P2, P3 equals plus 1, whereas determinant of P4, P5 and P6 is minus 1. Now what we'll do, we'll substitute this determinant values, and meanwhile we'll also substitute these values of A into this determinant. So P1 is 1 multiplied by A11, A22, A33 are all diagonal elements. So it is 1 into minus 2 into minus 1 plus determinant of P2 is again 1 multiplied by A13 is 3, then A21 is this, which is 4, then I have A32 is this 5, then plus 1 into A12 is 2 and A23 is 3 and A31 is 2. Okay, then so plus determinant of P4 is minus 1 multiplied by A11 is 1, A23 is 3, A32 is 5 plus determinant of P5 is minus 1 multiplied by A12 2, A21 is 4 and A33 is minus 1 plus determinant of P6 is again minus 1 multiplied by A13 3, A22 minus 2 and A31 is 2. Now we'll multiply all these values. So what do we get? Which is equal to minus 2 into 1 into 1 into 1 minus 1, 2 into minus 1 is 2, plus 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are 12, 5 is 60, it is 60, plus 3 2s are 6 2s are 12, minus 1 into 1 into 3 into 5 3 is a 15, minus of minus plus 4 2s are 8, minus into minus plus, so 3 2s are 6 2s are 12, plus 12. Now which is equal to 60, 72, 60, 72, 80, 82, 90, 100. Okay, 60, 62, 72, 74, 74, 82, 84, 94, I think, see, 20, 32, 92, 94, sorry, it is 94, so it is 94 minus 15, which is equal to 79. So this is the determinant of A, which is equal to 79 by using a big formula. Similarly, we can go for the next matrix. I'll just give you another 2 cross 2 matrix. We have done for 3 cross 3. We'll see how to do for 2 cross 2 matrix. So I'll say 1 2 3 6 for example. Okay, so determinant of this is equal to 0 because 6 into 1 minus 3 into 2 is 6. Now let us see how to find out for a big formula. Okay, big formula. Now P1 will be equal to I1, which will be equal to 1 0 0 1. Therefore determinant of P1 equals plus 1. Now P2 will be equal to 0 1 1 0. Now we have exchanged one time, row exchange will happen one time, so therefore determinant of P2 will be equal to minus 1. Okay, so we got P1 to be equal to plus 1, P2 to be equal to minus 1. Now let me write the big formula for this. Therefore determinant of A would be equal to determinant of P1 into A1 A2. We get only this one, so A1 A2. So here this column order for this P1 would be equal to 1 comma 2, for P2 would be equal to 2 comma 1. Okay, A1 A2. So here column order 1 2, therefore I'll write 1 2 plus determinant of P2 into A1 A2, I'll write, now it is 2 and 1, therefore it is 2 here and 1 here. Now this will be equal to determinant of P1 is plus 1, 1 into A11 is what? This is A11, A12, A21, A22. Therefore, A21, A22. So A11 is 1, A22 is 6, plus determinant of P2 is minus 1 multiplied by A12 is 2, A21 is 3. So which is equal to 6 into 1 into 1 is plus 6, 3 2s are 6 into minus 1 is minus 6, which is equal to 0. So therefore this is how we use big formula to find out the determinant of any given matrix.